Okay, so now you've got your add-on, you've got to pull it from online files, which mine's that one. Don't use that one because obviously they're just set up for this tutorial. I'll leave them up just in case you want to use them just for practice, but if you want to make a plugin, use your own and your own PHP files, because obviously mine won't actually go anywhere. Okay, so yeah, so what we're going to do now is just a bit more on the search, just tidying that up on your plugin. Like I said before, be sure to rename it, otherwise you're going to end up with some with the same thing. So before we set it up with the same folder path, so before we set it up to go to the second PHP file, and it should search for example. So because examples in the name in here, then it will open them, and obviously you can put it as menu as well. So yeah, if you put menu in here, it should get that as well. There you go, it's got it. And it's also opening that one as a menu. Obviously there's no information there, so it's not doing anything because that's just opening demo2.php, which is nothing. We'll sort that out in a minute and do some different ones. And then the second one should play this video link, which I've sourced. There you go. I think that link's actually expired now, so it won't load. So obviously these ones seem to expire, but the content you use completely up to you, and it's your liability. Blah, blah, blah. So yeah, that's what we'll do now. That's a new code text file that is now in the description on tutorial 9. This is number 10, we're flying through. Yeah, so download that before you start tutorial 9 or part way through when I mention it. And that's just this set view, and you open URL code, and then you put this set view underneath, and all being well, it should give you more options in here. And there you go, so you got poster up, fan art, media info, and you see where your description's coming up now. But obviously without that, it's just on code default settings, so it'll only give you wide list, list, big list, and thumbnail. I think you might get wide as well, but that's handy. There is ways you can put in the settings for it to default to these views, but we'll just leave it like this for now. Okay, so let's go and set up a couple more menus. We'll do 4 more. So we need the same layout. We'll just stick that in each one. Actually, what we'll do, we'll call it the 1, just so you can see that it's opening separate files. Stick it in each one, so that'll be the 4. Just so we can search for the in a bit, and we'll bring them all back, just as an example. And that's the 2. So you need to save these, file, save as, desktop, and we'll call it demo search 1.php. Don't forget to call it a PHP file, just because that's how it's set up now in the default. Save as demo search 2, same as demo search 3, and demo search 4. We'll call this one. Okay, so now we've got it set to be starting here. This will be the starting point. Okay, demo.php, obviously if you call it main menu.php, whatever, that'll be your starting point because we've told it that's where it's going to start up here. And yeah, and then that's opening whatever's in here. Obviously these URLs and nothing, your search one, just put a space in, because otherwise you're gonna have troubles. And it doubles up on everything else if you put an if statement. But you'll see that more in the previous tutorial. So for now we're going to go from this one, we're going to open demo 2 in movies, in movie, and then from demo 2 we'll open them 4. So we'll just call it demo 1, demo 2, demo 3, demo 4, and then in the URL stick the file names, which will be, well, it just depends where you put them really, but on this one it will be that one up to there. So stick that in each of them, so they'll be in the same folder. So I like to try and keep them together. So that's that folder, and then I could have called them something a bit shorter, but demo search 1, copy that, make life easier, search 2, search 3, search 4. So that will set that to open them 4 files. And it should say the one in each one. You just have the plus the name. So obviously that's the number 4, which will be opened here. Demo 4 will open demo search 4. So that's them set up. So now if we come down to our search, where you've got your file names, if you stick in here demo search 1, demo search 2, demo search 4, let's do it properly, search 3, search 4. So that should open all 4 files down on here. Search URL equals that, so you'll open each of them individually and it will look for whatever you type in. So let's get these uploaded and have a little look. Save that. So yeah, go to here, we'll upload them, desktop, let's just upload them all, just in case, overwrite, and the rest should just come up. So we've uploaded the first 2 as well, just to make sure, so any changes we've done, they're all there. We'll go into coding, template. So in your movies, it now says demo 1, 2, 3, 4, so you open that, should say the 1. Oh, so that's not working. Let's have a look in the log, see what the hell's going on. Ah, yeah, it helps if you put the right thing in. Don't forget your .php as I told you. So for a start, that would be trying to play them because there's no PHP in the link. Plus, it just wouldn't exist because it'd be looking for .php, which is a file type. So let's go and upload that again. Demo 2. Right. Fingers crossed. There we go. Just opening the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Okay, so that's all linked, and then obviously if you go to search now, just type in Blur, and there you go, brings them back. You'll notice the views to that, but that's just because I've said it before, so it just stores it. It's quite handy, but that's only set on my code, it won't be set on yours. There you go, so that's all 4 of them. It brings them back in search and do that with as many files as you want, as many things in the file as you want. Right, and the 2. Stick these in. So we got them. So in demo search 2, it's now got 2 more things with that in, which will bring back in the search once you've uploaded it. Alright, yep. So if you go back out, search, the should now be live here. There you go, look. You've not changed anything, it's still in there. And it's got other as well because the obviously is in other. So if you just, that's why it hasn't got skip to. It just looks for the characters rather than the words. So demo 2 now, there you go, all in there. You can edit this as much as you want. Shouldn't really go too much on the load time depending on how big your list is. I've done some with some, and there's been like 4,000 things in, so it's took a little bit to load. So trying to section things and split them up and make it cleaner is definitely a good thing. It was a bit quicker than I thought. No, it wasn't. Oh well. Okay, yeah, well that's about it I think. So you've got a plugin now, you can do what you want with it, that's up to you. What I could say, I'll recap on that bit. Make sure, if you're going to use it, you edit this to whatever. Well, what you want to do if you've just been working on it actually is go and change the one you've actually been working on in the Kodi folder. So add-ons, I'm going to copy that, so you go back to your desktop one, stick it in there, so that's your one, delete that zip so you know where you are, rename that, probably test 2, I don't know if you can have numbers in, I'm not 100% certain, but test piece, and then go to add-on.xml, edit that notepad++, change that to test piece, testing, we'll leave that as demo, you obviously change your name to there, your version number if you wish, save that. Okay, and then the default, because you're referencing it in certain parts, change that to testing, that's just so don't error down the bottom, and that'll be test piece, just so he knows where to look on this add-on path bit, because we've used that somewhere. Yeah, there we go, icon equals add-on path plus. So save that, and then if you want to distribute it or whatever, go back out, zip it up. I don't know how you do it on here, on yours. Let's go right click, send to compressed folder, and then you should be able to see, all being well, when we get there. Test page should install. It'll be the same pictures as before, but there you go. It's now called testing. My add-ons, video add-ons. So there you go, you've got template, you've got testing, both the same because it's the same code, but just shows you that. And the main reason behind this is just because of your path. If you've all got template, or you've got template and someone else got template, it's going to conflict, and that one will override that one. So you won't be able to run them both alongside each other. Let's try and think of a name that no one's had before, or that you've not heard of, or someone else might have a plugin similar on their system and you want to share it with your friends or whatever. And I think that's about it. Obviously I can't show you run any content and that. Don't really want to put any videos in, that's all down to you. I'm just showing you how to set it all up. But now you've got an add-on, different menus, got a nice search, quite quick, quite effective. Might be better ways, I'm just showing you ways I know that work with all the coding. It's just what I've learned, might not be the best way, but it works. So if it's not broke, I ain't gonna fix it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed them. Hopefully next time I'm thinking of showing a wizard with backup and a local restore function. But before that, actually, I might just do a little bit on the settings, because it's handy to have extra little settings you can have. Alright, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.